Forged in the fires of Fenris' frozen hell, hardened warriors born to fight and prevail. Sons of the wolf with hearts of ash and steel. Volca Fenrica, we answer the call, never kneel. Grey-clad hunters under northern sky so grim, eager for glory where the war drums begin. In the din of battle our souls come alive, clash of steel, the sweetest song we thrive. We are the space wolves, fierce and unbound, howling for honor, in the Emperor's name we're found. Ashen like the wolf, with fangs of iron might, we live for the fight, in the shadows of endless night. No fear of death, no chain can hold our rage. Sons of Fenris will charge into the blaze. For limb and rust, and the great wolf's call, we stand as one, we conquer all. For none, we conquer all. From the great crusade, we marched as the 5th Legion strong, led by our Primarch. The legend of Rust lives on. Anti-authority rebels, we defy the Codex law. Barbarian hearts in a galaxy torn by war. After heresy's fire, we split like the wolf's fierce pack. Space wolves endured while brothers fell to mutations black. Now in the era Indomitus, new blood joins the fold. Primaris warriors tested true in the Wolf King's